Jesus give you his blood as a new covenant. Today is Maundy Thursday, and the Maundy Thursday is the evening when we remember the Last Supper of Jesus before he died. This word Maundy comes from the Latin mandatum, which means commandment, because Jesus gave a new commandment at that night. A new command I give you, love one another as I have loved you, so you must love one another. On this night, Jesus washed his disciples' feet to show humility and love. He shared bread and wine and gave Holy Communion. He showed you the meaning of new covenant promises, as we read in Jeremiah chapter 1, verse 31. Dear Christian friends, tonight is a holy and powerful night. We remember how Jesus sat with his disciple in the upper room. He knew he was about to suffer and die, and he chose to spend that evening in love, humility, and sacrifice. At the table, he said, "This is my body, and this is my blood. Do this in remembrance of me." These were not just words, they were the beginning of a new covenant. A new promise from God to save you, not through the law, but through grace. Your unfaithfulness, Jesus was always faithful, but his disciples were not. As we read Mark chapter 14, verse 10, then Judas Iscariot, one of the 12, went to the chief priest to betray Jesus. And Matthew chapter 26, verse 33 to 34, Peter replied, "Even if all fall away on account of you, I never will fall away." Jesus said to him, "Truly I tell you, this very night, before the rooster crows, you will deny me